Hello, my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing good, great in your life. You are safe. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign because this is the general reading for the month of March 2021 for Aquarius. Okay, so let's start your reading. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's see and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest, because this is the general reading for Aquarius, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. So let's start your reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Transformation, beautiful. You are going through transformation. Bottom of the deck, I'm having challenges. So whatever challenges you are going through right now in your life, that are happening because you are in a process of transformation, Aquarius. Okay, and because while doing meditation also, from the other deck also, see bottom of the deck, I'm having transformation here. Okay, in three decks I was having transformation. Here also I'm having trust and it is transformation. So yes, many of you are going through a transformation period. You are going to become a butterfly, Aquarius. That's why you are facing a lot of challenges right now in your life, because transformation is taking place in your life. Beautiful message, beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Friendships, new friendships are coming in your life, and there is a marriage card here. Beautiful. And can you see here? I can see, show you, there is 18, 19 and 20 here. 18, 19 and 20 number synchronicities. Beautiful cards are there for you. There is marriage card. Bottom of the deck I'm having travel. Then there is money here, and there is again a number synchronicity of 5 and 10. So abundance of money, abundance of career, abundance of freedom is coming towards you. Maybe some of you going Aquarius are going to travel somewhere. Okay, because of this traveling you will earn some kind of money, but abundance of money is coming towards you, Aquarius. You are going through a transformation period. New friendships are coming for you which will help you out in your spiritual journey in your life. Okay, and many of you are going through get a marriage proposal here, because there is a marriage card which is indicated here. Beautiful card for you, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Sisterhood of the Rose, beauty and devotion, priestess, mystic and the teacher. Beautiful and very powerful message. You are currently going through a transformation right now. Your intuition is very much high, Aquarius. Okay, so use your intuitions. Many of you can be a mystic healer, a priestess, a teacher who will teach others. Okay, who will help others in the process of spiritual journey, because you are having lot of beauty and devotion inside your soul. So beautiful card, beauty and devotion is here. You are the priestess, you are the mystic teacher. Wow. See, again bottom of the deck I am having awakening. Okay, so you are in the process of awakening. Transformation is taking place, that is for sure. Let me adjust my camera 1 minute. Okay, yeah, now it is adjust. Okay, so yes, awakening is going through, Aquarius. You are going through a process of awakening, that is for sure. Whatever challenges you are going through in your life right now, you are having, because awakening is happening. New energetic upgrades are going through. There is new way of being living, integration and beautiful things are coming for you. See, Awakening is taking place for you. See, next is warrior woman. Have you answered your deepest calling? Okay, your soul is trying to give you some messages, Aquarius. You need to answer your deepest calling. There is deepest calling which is happening for you, because you are the warrior woman. Whatever challenges you have gone through in your life, even after all the challenges in your life, you are, surviving in your life. You are growing in your life, you are moving in a forward direction, and you are overcoming all the challenges in your life, and you are rising as a warrior woman. Okay, then there is align your life. What is not aligned or you need to change? So there is something in your life which you need to change, Aquarius. There is something in which you are not aligned at all. So align your life. You know better what you need to align. And there is awakening. Beautiful messages. Thank you for giving the messages. So there is some kind of things which you need to change. Align your life. Okay, Aquarius, what you need to change, you have to focus on that. Okay, and you have to answer your deepest calling. There is calling which is happening for you. You are having a lot of intuitions inside of you, so use your intuitions. And awakening and transformation period is going on for you. Okay, please help me out, guides, god, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius, which are important to deliver. What are the messages? What are the messages? Beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I am having portal. New doors are opening for you, Aquarius. You have to decide. There are beautiful rewards which are coming for you. This is a wild card. This is beautiful card because this is the time where you will get your rewards. Okay, so you have to decide. New doors are opening, whether you want to enter in this door or not. There is big picture thinking, visionary inspired ideas. You have to see the picture from a higher perspective. Okay, see the picture from a higher perspective. New doors are opening for you. Beautiful. Let's see what are the messages here which I am having. Let me adjust my cards. Okay, so the first card for you is star bathing, light body, crystal grid, transmission and activation. See again, can you see how this girl is lying here, lying down here in the star bathing and transmission, and here also it is awakening is happening. So awakening is happening inside of you here. So this is the beautiful message which you I'm getting for you. This is transmission, this is awakening, this is transformation. There's a lot of activations which is happening inside of you, Aquarius. Okay, lot of 1 minute. Yeah, lot of transmission is happening for you. Let me read it out for you from the book because I need to read it out. I don't read it, but today I want to read it. The stars are constantly showing emanations on the crystalline grid of Earth. When things are in the balance, the planet also sends information back up to the stars. Many star seeds have come to Earth at this time to help shift the planet vibrationally, to activate the ancient codes of wisdom that humanity has forgotten. And all of that information is stored in crystalline grid. Okay, if you pull this card, you may be being called to begin working with the stars and the crystalline grid of the earth. Some people believe that crystalline grid of the earth anchors divine cosmic frequencies onto the planet. You may be guided to the journey to particular places on earth to unlock these cosmic codes with your presence. You may be interested in practice called star bathing. Download a star bathing meditation at www.starseedoracle.com.me. This card commonly arises because you are here to connect with crystalline grid of the earth, either in your hometown or by traveling to other places without quite knowing why. It also can mean that your light body, the energy in the highest form, is being activated. If it resonates, take things extra slow in order to integrate this change of vibration. Beautiful messages. Beautiful and very powerful message is here. So yes, transmission is taking place inside of you because of this star bathing activation is happening for you, Aquarius. Then there is, you got the love, hydrogen energy, codependency and boundaries. So maybe you are still dealing with some kind of codependency issues, okay, some kind of boundary issues, because you don't know how to set up healthy boundaries. You need to set up healthy boundaries around yourself, Aquarius, okay. You have to work on the codependency issues and the boundary thing. Trust the timing, trust the wave you came in. Time is not running out. You need to trust that time is not running out. Maybe you are thinking that yes, time is very much less and I have to work a lot, okay, I have to speed up my life. But no, trust the timing, time is not running out. That's the message which I'm getting here, okay. Then there is empathic star seed. See, again this message is repeating again in every, almost every reading. That is energetic sovereignty, absorbing what not yours. So you are absorbing what's not yours, Aquarius. What is not, that doesn't belong to you basically, but you are still absorbing that things. So you do not have to absorb that things at all. Let me read it out that too, okay. 1 minute. You have to take care better of yourself energetically, okay. See the things that what you have to absorb and what you don't have to absorb. That's the particular message which I'm getting from this card, that you have to, you know, differentiate things, differentiate energies, what belongs to you, what does not belongs to you. See, because you are absorbing what not yours. So that's the message which I was getting for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages for this deck. What are the messages? Openness. Three messages, 1 minute. What are the messages for Aquarius? One more. I need one more card. One more message for Aquarius. See, definitely you're going through a transformation. I'm getting two cards again and again, so now I'm going to take it, okay. Have courage, Aquarius, have courage, because transformation is taking place. That is for sure. I told you that yes, you are going through a transformation period. Things are transforming. You are becoming a butterfly. You're opening up your wings, okay. You're getting transformation, so you need to keep your courage with you, okay. Wonders are going to happen in your life. See, a lot of wonders are coming your way. Then again, can you see openness is here? You need to open here with this card, which is telling me that again you have to work on yourself. Let me read it out. What is openness here with the book? The cycles of the moon affect every aspect of life. The cyclic magnetic pull regulates as it tides as it acts on the planet water. The moon even affects the monthly cycles of women. It's not accident that a woman's cycle and the cycle of moon are approximately the same amount of time. In native cultures, when women lived in nature, it was not uncommon for them to menstruate during the new moon and ovulate around the full moon. It was believed menstruation was the time that a woman had to be still and put her everyday labor aside and renew. Okay, when you receive this card, be open to receiving signs. Be still, don't do nothing, be open, breathe, relax completely, truly incubate your dreams for the future. If you're trying to make a decision, take the time to watch for signs and listen to the whispers of the universe. So beautiful message is here, Aquarius, for you, that you have to be open to receive, because lot of wonders are coming for you. Can you see, lot of wonders are coming for you. You need to keep your courage, okay. Keep your courage, because here I'm getting transformation from fourth deck. I'm getting transformation, okay. Beautiful messages. Here I'm having awakening. There, here it is here that activations are happening. So lot of things are going through. You're going through lot of things in life, Aquarius, right now on a spiritual basis. So keep going. Have your courage with you. Okay, keep your strength with you. Do not get don't lose your strength. That's the message which I am getting. Don't lose your strength, because beautiful things are going to happen in your life, and it is happening. And whatever challenges you are facing right now in your life, that is happening because of this transformation. Okay, so let's see what are the messages from this deck. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Cleansing water. Purification activates vibrant life force. Beautiful messages. Okay, so you need to do your purification. Take a bath. You can take bath here in water so that you can get your purification. Okay. Desert passage. Then there is ascending the mountain. Okay. See, trust there is a divine plan. You need to trust that there is a divine plan. Trust the timing and trust the divine plan. 1616 was the recording reading time. So there is a divine plan for you. You need to trust the timing, trust the divine, because beautiful things are going through happen in your life. There is ascending the mountain. Keep going forward. Okay, you need to keep going in a forward direction, Aquarius. You can purify your body, purify your things. Okay, so let's see what are the messages. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see one or two message from this deck of Scared Creator Oracle deck. What are the message? Accept and receive. Bottom of the deck I'm having cut the cords of doubt. Okay, many of you are thinking of doubting. Maybe you are doubting yourself. So do not have that doubt. That's why the message is very clear that you have to trust the divine, trust the divine plans. You need to cut the doubts. Okay, cut the cords of doubt and accept and receive. Once you receive, once you open up yourself, then only you can be able to receive the gifts from the divine, from the universe. So yes, you need to accept and receive and cut the cords. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's add some message from the colors. What is the message? Okay, I got 3. So first message for you is Azure. Protect yourself. Okay, protect yourself, Aquarius, because right now you are in a transformation period. You are in an awakening process, so you have to protect your energy. Okay, that's why here the message is very much clear that you are absorbing empathic star seeds. You have to protect yourself. Please be careful what you are absorbing, what energy you are absorbing inside of you. Okay, so please be careful while you absorb things from other energies. When you meet people, you meet other things, what you have to keep inside of you, you have to protect your energy. Then there is Jade. Take action. See, again the same message. Keep going in a forward direction. You have to keep moving in a forward direction. You have to take action in a forward direction. So take action in a forward direction, Aquarius. Then there is Blue. Activate your healing power. Okay, activate your healing power, because you are having lot of beautiful things inside of you. You are the mystic healer, you are the teacher, you are having lot of duty and devotion inside of you. So activate your healing power. You can use blue color, then Jade color and Azure color. You can use these 3 colors. Okay, so activate your healing power, move in a forward direction. You have to take action and protect your energy. Beautiful message from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages from the unicorns. What are the messages for Aquarius? Wow. One more. Okay. First message for you is flight. Let your creative imagination fly. Okay, you are having lot of imaginations, you are having lot of creativity, Aquarius. So you have to work on your creativity. Let your creative imaginations fly high. Okay, use your creativity, work on your creativity. Okay, there is silence. Be still, for all the answers lie in the silence. You are looking for some kind of answers, you have to be silent, because all answers lie in the silence. Once you get silent in your mind, in your soul, when you are silent, once you are in a calm position, you will find all the answers which you are looking for. There is choices, there is another way. Ask your unicorn to help you find it out. Okay, so you have to make some kind of choice here. That's why there is a message that there is another way. You have to ask your unicorn to help you find it out. So beautiful messages from this deck too. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Okay, let's add some messages from angels and ancestors, then I'm going to close out this reading. See, this wants to come out. Great teacher, learn from your spiritual experience, Aquarius. You need to learn from your spiritual experience. Okay, whatever experience you are going through, you need to learn from the spiritual experiences. Okay, then there is trader, exchange energy to create abundance. So you have to exchange energy, but be careful with whom you are exchanging the energies. Okay, so you have to exchange energies to create abundance. Then there is hunter, track down your fears and desires. Okay, if you are having any kind of fears and doubts and desires, you have to track down, you have to keep your courage. Okay, release any fears if you are having inside of you. So this was your general reading for the month of March. I hope it helped you out in some manner, Aquarius. But the message is very much clear that you are going through a transformation period. Okay, so take care of yourself, keep your courage with you, Aquarius. Okay, keep your courage with you, because you're going through a transformation period. Okay, so have courage. Whatever challenges you are facing right now in your life, that is because you are going through a transformation, and transformation is always very beautiful. It's not easy. You have to open up so that you can receive. 2222 was the recording reading time. So these were the messages. This was the message for the month of March 2021. And many of you have new beginnings are coming for you in friendships. New friendships are coming for you. Many of you can get the marriage proposal here. So this was the reading for you. And let me see more messages in your more videos in your love reading, in your extended reading. I will make other videos for you. I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, healing light and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.